Welcome back everyone. In the last session we have seen question number 2 and question number 3 of exercise 5.2. Okay, in this exercise we started the formula an is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. This is the formula I said you, which we can use for finding any term, any missing term. And today we are going to see how to use this formula in different ways. We'll do question number 4, 5 and 6 in today's session by using the same formula. So question number 4, 5 and 6, all these three will be done in the same way, but the way of asking question is different here just. Okay. So first question is, he is asking which term of the AP is 78. So one series is given to you and he is asking which term of this series will be 78. Then fifth question he is asking find the number of terms, and sixth question he is asking check whether minus 150 is a term of this AP or not. So all these three questions will solve in the same way. Okay, method of solving is same, only the way of asking question is different. So we are going to apply this formula, the single formula, for solving all the three questions. So let's begin with the fourth question. Which term of the AP is 78? So we don't know which term of this AP is 78. 78 is one term in this series. Like this is third term, 18th is the fourth term. So we have to find which term of this series is 78. So we'll use this formula, a plus n minus 1 into d, and always remember the unknown term is an. Okay, 78 is your an, that is unknown term, we don't know which term it is. And here in this series you can see a value is nothing but first term 3, and d is nothing but the common difference 13, 8 minus 3, t2 minus t1, 8 minus 3, that is common difference is 5. So we have got an, we have a, and we have d value. We don't know what is n value. Okay, we have an, a and d, we don't know what is the value of n. So once you get the value of n by solving, you will get which term of this AP is 78. So we'll substitute these all the values in the formula. So an, first is an, so an is 78. Then a is equals to a plus, that is 3 plus n minus 1 into d is nothing but 5. So substituting all the values, you can see here I have substituted all the values except the n, because we don't know what is n, which term is 78, that is n value. 78 minus 3 gives you 75, and n minus is equal to n minus 1 into 5. Then n minus 1 will be equal to 75 by 5, that will be 15. So n minus 1 is equals to 15, n will be equals to 16. So we have got the value of n. So n, this 78 is 16th term of the series. Okay, you can verify by finding 16th term of the series, that will be 78. So this way we can find the value of n. The next question, find the number of terms. In this also we'll apply the same method. We have to find from 7 to 205 in this series how many terms are there, number of terms. Okay, how many terms are there in this series till 205. So again I don't know which term is 205 here, isn't it? If I know 205 is which term in this series, then I can say those many terms are there in the series. So this is the first term, second term and third term. I don't know which term is 205. So let's find which term is 205, again using the same formula. A is 7, d is 13 minus 7, that is 6, and an, that is unknown term, is 205. So when I simplify this by using the same method, I am getting n value as 34. So 205 is 34th term of this series. Which term it is? 34th. So the last term is 34th. So how many terms do you feel it has? It has 34 terms. In your class, if the last roll number is 34, okay, in your class, imagine the last roll number is 34, then you will get the strength of the class. You can say 34 is the strength of class. So in this series, 34th term is the last term, that is 205. 205 is the last term. So that is 34th term. So we can say there are 34 terms in this series. Very simple. So again I use the same method here. Okay. Then let's go for, now you can observe one thing, the n value will never be in decimals because roll number can never be in decimals. This is the serial number, like the first term, second term, third term. I can't say 3.5 term. Okay, I can't say the serial number as 4.5. So serial number or the number of terms cannot be in decimals. They'll always take whole number. You can see the previous question also. In this also n value was 16. It will be positive whole number. Here n value is 34. So if n value comes in decimal, suppose for any problem if n value comes in decimal, then you can say that that is not a term of the series only. So the next question is about that only. He is asking to check whether minus 150 is a term of the series or not. So again I am using the same formula. an is minus 150 here. Okay, we don't know whether 150 is a term or not, so we'll imagine an is minus 150. A is 11 here and d is 8 minus 11, that is minus 3. So we should find a and d value, again applying the same formula. An is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. You can observe from the beginning, from fourth question I am using the same formula, same procedure. So minus 150, let's find n value here also. We have the value of an, we have the value of a, we have d value. So we don't know what is n value. Here also we'll find n value. So minus 150 is equals to an is minus 150, a is 11 plus n minus 1 into d is minus 3. When you simplify it, minus multiply, open the bracket with minus 3, so you will get minus 3 plus 3, minus 3 into n is minus 3 plus 3, then 11 plus 4 gives you 11 plus 3 gives you 14, 14 minus 3n. So simplifying it further, I get minus 3n is equals to minus 164. Minus and minus you can cancel here, so n will be equals to 164 by 3. That will be 164 by 3 is giving you a decimal, that is 54.33. So can the roll number of any child be 54.33 or a serial number or a term numbers? No, it can never be. It can never take any decimals. So when the n value comes in decimals, you can say it is not a term of the series. Okay, n value will always be a positive whole number. It cannot take decimals. Okay, so this is the concept. All the three questions are done in the same way. Complete this and even complete the previous works if you have not done it yet. Thank you.